More breaking updates, in fact, now coming in. Defence Minister of India Rajnath Singh has held a bilateral meeting with Australia's Assistant Minister of Defence Peter Khalil. This comes as part of his visit to Australia. During these talks, he said that joint ventures can help build interoperable platforms aligned with the strategic objectives of both our nations. He also said that our defence exports have reached approximately 23,622 crores or approximately $2.76 billion last year. And Indian companies now export to around 100 countries.
Technology front, DRDO and Australia Defence Science and Technology Group are already collaborating on towed array sensors. Later this year, collaboration in fields of quantum technology, artificial intelligence, cyber security, information warfare, and advanced science and technology are set to be explored. India welcomes the Australian companies to partner with Indian industries to co-develop and co-produce high-end systems, including propulsion technologies, autonomous underwater vehicles, flight simulators, and advanced materials. Joint ventures can help build interoperable platforms aligned with the strategic objectives of both our nations. Our defence exports have reached approximately 23,622 crore or approximately $2.76 billion last year. And Indian companies now export to around 100 countries. Friends, strategic reforms such as Make in India, production-linked incentive schemes, and a digital transformation have fostered a conducive environment for innovation, investment, and manufacturing growth. India's young and skilled workforce, expanding infrastructure, and rising technological capabilities are further strengthening its role as a global economic hub and a reliable partner in resilient supply chains. This economic momentum not only enhances India's strategic influence, but also creates vast opportunities for international collaboration and investment.
MDH का किचन किंग किचन में